Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. You might have noticed in the thumbnail, I'm holding an open box. Yeah, it's because I forgot to start the video when I did the unboxing, so let's get into it. Let me tell you about it. I'm not even going to pretend like I have not opened this box, like any of these products are new to me. They are super cute. It is a fantastic theme for this month. It is Fruit for Thought. The theme is old-fashioned soda fountain, and that is what the paperwork looks like. On the back, it tells us a little bit about each of the products. If you are new to Fruit for Thought is a lifestyle themed box. We get jewelry, kitchen, home goods, sometimes snacks. It's just different each month. It is all based on the theme. She used to do, it's Fruit for Thought because it used to be just fruit and vegetables, but she has since expanded and is doing other themes. That's why this month is old-fashioned soda fountain. It is so cute. It is such a fantastic theme. Even though she has expanded beyond fruits and veg, she is still doing such a wonderful theme. So let me go ahead and show you what I have already opened because it is absolutely adorable. I'm going to do it in the same order I did it last time. This came out first. How stinking cute is that? It is an acrylic Coca-Cola bottle opener. The back has, so you can, a magnet. It has a magnet so you can stick it to your fridge. Can you see on the inside? I hope you can see it. The water jiggles. This came in a variety. You could have gotten Coca-Cola or another brand of soda. That is so cute. Next out, we have the old-fashioned hard candies. It is the Glaze root beer. And these are so fun because I remember as a kid going to my grandparents' house and there were little shops all over the small towns around where they lived, and they always had kind of barrels filled with different flavors of this. And they had the root beer and cinnamon, but they had different ones like horehound. I think that's a root maybe, and sassafras, and it always came in such fun colors and flavors. Root beer was always my favorite. I love root beer candies. I don't generally eat hard candies anymore because, well, why? I don't know why. We take all the fun away when we grow up. But I like to have them around for when I get a sore throat. It's probably linked some way to my childhood, but that's what I do. Next out, we have some soda fountain style glasses. I received them in pink or purple. They came out in several colors. I call them restaurant quality shatterproof soda tumblers in an assorted rainbow color reminiscent of old soda fountains. Not completely shatterproof because my purple one did come broken, in all fairness. I don't know if I can get it so you guys can see it, but it's just got a slip down. My pink one is perfect, and like I said in my last video, it's okay because I would have chosen the pink one for me, and I'm only one person. I only need one cup. But these are super cute and fun to have around, especially in the summer when you're looking to wander off. Maybe it's just me. When you're looking to wander off maybe outside, although not very often. I like having a plastic cup. Next out, we have Sip Sip Hooray 12 reusable straws. These are so cute. They are, there's a kind of blue looking one and an orange looking one. The blue one has lemons on it. The yellow one, yellowish one, has oranges on it. They are so cute, and they're just kind of plastic reusable straws. I love these. We have 12 of them. I will absolutely use them. I love having straws around for when the girls are here. I will admit to still using straws while we're out, but for around the house, I absolutely love reusable straws, and these are adorable. Next out, also very reminiscent for me, we have the penny candy store wax bottles. Did you guys do wax bottles when you were a kid? We used to bite the tops off of them, get all the liquid out of them, and then kind of work with the wax to make it soft and push it into our teeth to make braces. We didn't know how smart we were because we were basically making Invisaligns. There was no such thing as Invisaligns, but we were making them with our wax bottle candies. And there's probably like 1/8 of an ounce in each one of these. And that was, it's pure sugar, I'm sure. It was always so good. There's 2 ounces total in here, but for us it was very little about the candy liquid, although we did like it portion, and more about playing with that wax. Did you used to play with them? Let me know below. Next out, and I played with this far too long when I first taped, well, I guess technically the problem is I didn't tape it when I first unboxed this. This is the cutest game, and we used to have these also when we were kids. This is a real nostalgic box for me, and you try and send those up in the air, and I have 2 little sticks, I guess sticks, that you try and catch them on in there. I did it twice in the first one. Let's see if I can get one. I don't think I can. I played with it far too long. I'm not going to let myself do that again. It's no fun for you just sitting there watching me play a game, right? I can't do it, man. I am the type of person that will sit, oh, got one. I am the type of person that will sit far too long and play a game like this. Look at that, I caught one of the little purple ones. So fun, so nostalgic. Love that she named this Old Fashioned Soda Fountain because nailed it. And last out, we have the Wonka Pops Meringue. It is by zeepbath.com, but they say it's not really Zeep, it's Zeape. That's how they tell you how to say it. So that's what it is, but it's ZEEP bath.com. And I tell you that because this came in 3 cents, and I will tell you about them in a minute. But I got it, oh, it smells so good, in Wonka Pops. And they described the Wonka Pops as smells like fun sugared berry candy with a bubbly lemon lime soda. I don't smell the berries at all. All I smell is the lemon lime soda. You could have also received the body spray, and you could have gotten it in 1 of 3 scents, the Wonka Pops, which is what I got, the watermelon sugar, which smells like a cold soda flavored with watermelon and cotton candy, or helium, which smells like citrus fizzy pop, sweet fruity pebbles, and sugary strawberry vanilla cotton candy. That one sounds like it smells just incredible, although this one smells incredible. Each product is handmade in small batches using natural butters and oils. It is vegan and cruelty-free ingredients. And it is, let me show you guys, I did this. It is a body butter. It is thick and nice. I'll put it on my hand again. It feels so good. I think maybe I will set it aside for winter. It feels so healing. What I should do is use it now and just buy myself some more. The company is in Wichita, Kansas. It smells so good. It smells like Sprite to me, like a really lemony, limey, fizzy, something about it. Have you ever used the gingerbread man from Philosophy that they say smells like gingerbread man, but it doesn't really. It really smells like ginger ale because there's something about it that smells fizzy. To my peeps out there who have used that, this has that same feeling. It's lemon limey, but it's got, how does something smell fizzy? I don't know, but this does. Okay. Yes, I definitely taped it. That was my fruit for thought. This was the June box. The box that is available now is the August box. If you sign up by August 4th, you will get the August box. It is strawberry lemonade, so I can only imagine what great things she's gonna do with strawberry lemonade. In this old fashioned one, we got our 2 cups, the root beer candy, these really cute reusable straws, fun for you, good for the environment. The wax bottle pops, is that what they call them? Wax bottles, so cute, so nostalgic. This cute bottle opener that you can stick right up on your fridge. I love that you can see that there's like shaky liquid in it, so it makes it feel real. This super fun little cupcake game. I didn't get another one. And this Wonka Pops body meringue from Zeep Bath, Z-E-E-P Bath. Smells fantastic. And I'll show you again because now it probably looks different from the first thumbnail. That is what June looked like. Oop, my Zeep bath just fell over. Thank you so much for coming by. I will put the link to Fruit for Thought down below along with my code Catherine10. It will get you 10% off any linked subscription that you like. If you are new to the channel, I hope you will consider subscribing. I promise. I usually get this right the first time. Please hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you guys again really soon. Bye, guys.